Today is July 23rd, Tuesday. Hope everyone's having a good month, finishing strong. Today I'm looking at some levels on ES. I'm actually probably looking to get in this trade here pretty soon. Let's see what happens when the market opens, but I'll be looking to get in around like 56.0650, and my stop would be underneath, it looks like 56.02, so about 4.5 points be giving it and be looking to take it up to the 56.22 area. And if I get stopped out, then obviously I'll be looking at lower levels to see if they hold, and then take the position like that. So we'll see what the market brings with ES. Obviously I have some levels above, some levels below. There's quite a bit of overhead, and some support underneath. So if it just ranges in this area, I'll be looking to take some bounces. So we'll see what the market brings with ES. With NASDAQ, pretty much looking at the same thing as well. Yeah, just looking at certain levels. I probably won't take NASDAQ the same way, but it's looking like it's giving the same setup. The only thing with NASDAQ is just it's a little bit too big of a stop, getting in at 963 with a stop underneath 923, pretty much a 40-point stop. So we'll see what happens with NASDAQ. Obviously, up here at some levels up at the 20,078 area, as well as up there at the 20,150 for some rejection. And again, if it wants to come down lower to the overnight, I'll be looking to take it at those areas as well. So let's see what happens first off of this 963 area for NASDAQ, and then as well as the 5606 area. All right. Let's see if I can get into this ES trade here. Alright. Let's see if I can get my fill with ES. NASDAQ is just ES. My stop is underneath 602. And I'm looking to take this a little higher. So if it breaks under 602, then I'm out. But I'm looking to take this back up to high of day, or even higher. So we'll see what happens. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Alright guys, I'm up about 7 points on this trade. I'm moving my stop up to break even now. And my target is, since I only have one, probably gonna just have a target of about 10 points. Alright guys, I closed it right there at 56.1550. Pretty much for 9 points. Like I said, I'm not going to be a dick for a tick. I'll take the $450, and like I said, it was a trade that I usually don't take, but it was right in the beginning. It was giving me confirmation that it was holding this level. That's why I took that level right there. But this could just break right through and just go and just keep on going higher. Like I said, if I were normal size, I would have taken one off there for 9 points and let the other one ride up to 22 or even up to 30. So we'll see what happens. But like I said, we'll see what happens off of this area. If it keeps on going, it is what it is. I'll learn from it. But if not, I'll take the quick $450. So yeah, we'll see if we can get another trade, solid trade. So yeah, there it goes. It's looking like it's gonna break out here. Like I said, it is what it is on this trade. If I had full size, it would have been a lot better, but it's okay. I'll take the 9 points within the first 10 minutes of the open. But it just gave 11, 12 points right there, and now it's having a small retrace. So we'll see what happens for the rest of the day, but so far solid trade to start off with the day. want to see if Nasdaq could come down to 963 again. If it comes down to 963, I'm in, and my stop is going to be underneath 33. It looks like, so I'll give it 30 points. So I'll take this trade at 63. You know, I had a big green candle closed above here. This is just coming down to find some support, and then hopefully taking a bounce. If it doesn't, it is what it is. It goes lower, and I'll look for lower at next level. So everybody, how's it going? Today is Wednesday, July 24th, 2024. Hope everyone's having a good year so far. Come back with another video. I actually made a video yesterday, but somehow got deleted. But it is what it is. So we'll see what today brings. Market took, a pretty big dump overnight. So now it's pretty much just coming into, the lows from sell-off from above. Trying to hold this area and see if it can. If it can't, then most likely it's going to break through. Me personally, I'm just looking for levels above. My first level is going to be around this 557 level. See what happens there. Next level is going to be 555, 65. See what happens there, and ultimately to come back up to this 55.73 area for the short. So I'm obviously just waiting to see what happens at those areas and just wait for confirmation and see what happens. And then obviously if we go lower, then just continue the trend lower on some retests back up to old support. That's it for ES. Now for Nasdaq, what I'm looking at is pretty much the exact same thing. We fell, we actually broke through the lows. So this is pretty much the last bit of support on Nasdaq right here. So I'm going to see what happens, at this level. I'm not trying to long this again, just trying to play it like the ES, so the 745 area as well as up here at this 815 area, and see how it acts and take my trade like that. So we'll see what the market brings. Alright, I'm looking at this ES trade right here. We'll see what happens, but I'll be looking to go short at like 55.42 if it closes down under here. $55.45. So let's see what happens in the next 15 seconds. Filled. Looking to go short at like 42.50. 45. Alright, I'm in. I'm in at 42.50. I'll be looking to go short at 45. I'll add it like 47. Alright guys, so far I'm up about $300 on this trade. Like I said, I went lighter size because I wanted to add a little bit higher in case it went, but like I said, now I'm at a break-even stop. I was up about 6.5, 7 points. So if it comes back up, I'll stop out and then just wait to see if it wants to show weakness again. But right now this area is pretty fragile. It could happen either way. It could come back up, find some support at this area, or it could just break it. So like I said, I was already up over $300 on this trade. I was giving it about 5 points, so it was up 6.5, 7. So yeah, there's really no point to if it comes back up, be naive and let it go against me. So pretty much break even stop, and then we'll see what happens now. Alright guys, I'm out of that trade right there. Pretty much bottom ticked it at 32.25. So right there at 10 points pretty much. My next level is down here at 55.24. Like I said, I went in lighter size. I wanted to see if I could get my ad to get a better position, but it obviously only came into there. So it is what it is. Pretty much 10 points on that trade, $500, and let's see if I can catch another one. So yeah, that trade was hold. But again, it is what it is. I only had one lot on there. Like I said, if I had two lot, I would have taken it off for 10 points like I did, and then my other exit would have been right here. You know, I wouldn't have been greedy, and then I could always take another position, but I would love to lock in profits like that. And then, like I said, see what happens around this area. If it wants to lose it, then take it to the next level. All right, as always, guys, thanks again for watching. Hope you liked both videos. If you can, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll have more videos coming your way. All right, thanks.